Right, good morning everyone. Now I have a kit here. It is a black kit. There's a touch of white in it, but it's mainly all black. Now I wrote it down on a piece of paper that somebody asked me for a black kit. I've searched on the videos and I can't find that lady who mentioned it first on there. So if you are the person that wanted a black kit, let me know, because I've put one together. I've actually got two of these if anybody's interested, but only one of them will have the stamen in. The rest of it will more or less, and the jewellery might change as well, but yeah, more or less the same. I can do two of these very similar kits. So I'm going to kickstart this off. I'm just going to move all these bits to one side and start off with the actual lace. Now this lace was it went over a satin dress and I just couldn't throw it away. I kept the satin to make flowers and I kept the lace. So it is the front panel of a skirt on a dress, and as you can see and let me just turn it the right way because that's the wrong way. It is gorgeous and there's lots of it, so you can cut all of this up. That's the first tier, the second tier, and then that's the top tier, and then you've got the band in the middle. So if you want to sit and unpick that, you can, but there's quite a lot of it. And it was a full skirt, so that's the width of it, but double, if you know what I mean. I've just folded that in half, and then you've got all of that and all of that, so it's just no point in wasting it. So that's the large lace in it. Now, I always put something in to alter in all of my kits if I can. And so, to start with, I've got one of these. They're just unwanted. I don't want them anymore. I used to have lots of laces on them and that, but I find I don't use them anymore. I bought these squares, you know, they're like a unit. It's all squares, and I just keep them all lined up in there on the original cards. I don't really need these anymore. So they're nice to alter. So I'm putting one of those in this kit. Now, I have got some of this. It is bloody gorgeous. And let me get it the right way. That's it. This is the right way. It's a deep. It's about 5 inches deep. Double layered eyelash. So that's underneath. And then you've got that. Let me just show you. It's really hard with black on top. And you've got a nice big piece of that. So if you're doing a wall plaque or a cushion or something, there's plenty there. So you've got a nice big piece of that. I'm adding in some black feathers. These are the marabou feathers. They're absolutely stunning, super soft and top quality. So we've got those. Now regarding lace, I've put in the black Nottingham lace that we sell. And we sell this in, for those who don't know, pink, cream, blue, white and black. So that's that one. There's about 1 metre of that there. The all-time favourite one of mine to do flowers with is this one, the scalloped one. And again, same there. Then we've got this, which is the black trimming, which is gorgeous. So I cut about either a yard or 1 metre of all of them. Then we've got the black and white one, which is the flower. This is chenille, so it's not cheap, but it's not. It's great for doing edges and things like that. So you've got that as well. Then we've got this one, which is the white and black. They're like little rose, the way they've done them, little roses. So you've got that one as well. Then we put the stamen in, of course, black stamen. Just put that on top. Then we've got this trim, which is gorgeous. It's just, you might see it better there. It's just beautiful. And we do sell this in white as well. Hopefully I'm going to try and get in all the laces in every colour. But I'm building stock at the moment, as you know, and it's, I mean, I've been doing it for years. Then we've got the, it is slightly gathered, that black trim. 1/2 inch. We've got the 1 centimetre wide satin black ribbon. We've got it in the satin and organza. Makes beautiful flowers, really does. Then we've got it in the organza on its own. And then I've put in, because all of those make flowers, in the inch satin. Then we've got the applique that way. That one, which can be cut apart. And then the rest are trimmings. So I have put in 2 of the black gold rimmed buttons. A beautiful mother of pearl vintage button, a big one, and then you've got 2 of the vintage smaller buttons, mother of pearl. And then this is an old one which used to go on the boot, just a round bauble, but you might want to hang it on as a charm somewhere. So you've got that one. We've put in the black beaded pearl, black beaded necklace, sorry, which is new, they're not second hand. Again, this is new. You get beautiful big crystals, spaces, and the silvery black beads and the black crystal beads. It's just gorgeous. I've added a black bangle with a, this can come off. You'd have to prise that off, and I'd do it really carefully. You need some form of pincers underneath to split that, but it would come off and you'd be able to use that somewhere, and then you'd be able to make that into something, whatever you want to do with it. And then this, now I've added this in, they are black crystal beads, so you can cut it up and use them somewhere to make a trimming, you know, to make a dangle trim. I've shown you how to do them. Or it's heavy, that's why it's turning over. Or you could pop that over a cylinder and make a stick pin holder. See, if you had a tube, pop that over, be fabulous for that, whatever you want to do with it. And then finally a bag of mixed beads. Now you've got some large crystals in there, large spacer, black oh, here it is, let me just see. This is beautiful, look, black crystal, and you've got some other crystals in there. And then you've got like a greyish black bead, and then you've got the black beads. So lots and lots of things for you to play around with in this kit. Unfortunately, there's no flowers because I don't have any black flowers. So I've just filled it with jewellery basically, and laces and trims. So if anybody's interested in that, no, sorry, the lady who asked for a black kit, if you want it, let me know on this video. If you don't want it, okay, I can put it up for sale somewhere else, or if anybody else wants it, if the lady changes her mind, then let me know. Alright, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.